Right then, next one in the Mario Kart series, which this is going to be a cool one. This is Mario Kart's Donkey Kong and DK Jumbo. 387 pieces. It's set number 72033, age 8 plus, and there you go. So you got Donkey Kong, which is awesome, and also his vehicle, and it's interactive according to this. And the front with the figures, which is cool. You've got another little target thing to hit, to push a banana onto the track. Green shell, red shell, same sort of thing, but no glider, obviously, like we saw with the standard kart. Need to find out. I wonder if they will sell them later. Anyway, let's have a look and see what we've got in here. There we go. Nice. Paper bags or plastic bags? What do you think? Plastic. Okay. Which is very strange, just the other one is paper. Whatever. We've got a total of 3 bags. 1, 2, and 3. That's good. Okay, and we've got a sticker sheet, probably with the wheel, yeah, with the log style wheels and the DK stickers. So that's that. Then we've got the manual right there, which I won't be using, or might be using, depending on whether they give me the instructions. But yeah, this is kind of cool. Nice big manual for such a small set. Nothing special. So there you go. That can go back in the box. And I will start with bag 1, build it, and let you know what it's like afterwards. Let's have a look and see. Drive and drift kart racing action, apparently. Enjoy thrilling driving adventures with Donkey Kong and his DK Jumbo with his collectible Mario Kart playset for kids. Why they keep saying they're collectible, I don't know. Isn't all Lego collectible, but whatever. And yes, it does work with all the interactive figures, buildable car toy, buildable Donkey Kong figure, and sounds and visual effects when you use it with Mario. And Mario's in the wings waiting right there. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. Smash the like button, comment, and let's see what we end up with.
A few moments later.
Right then, so here we go. Finished. It's the next day, hence the haircut. This is kind of cool little build actually. I love the Donkey Kong figure and his little tie. He looks really cool. Really, really good. And the feet can be like moved like this, however you want basically, and also the hands and the arms can go up, down, the hands can go to the sides, so he could be driving, although he doesn't really reach the steering wheel, but the head is fixed. But I think he looks kind of cool. I like it. Apparently it's the same build in another set, but I like it. The only thing I don't like is on the back here. You can see it's like there's 2 spaces there, so you need to find something to go in there, but whatever. He's kind of good. Then we've got the same as the previous set, but we've got like a little target here. There we go. So you hit the target with the shell, and it knocks this. If you go, put that there. So there we go. Which is kind of cool. So you have to hit the target, otherwise it won't work. But yeah, maybe kids will like doing that. I don't know why that bit's on there, but whatever. I may have done that bit wrong. Who knows? But yeah, it looks kind of good. It's a bit of fun. You got a green shell, and you have obviously the red shell here on the car, which you can take off the gun. So there's the red shell in the gun. See if we can get this to work. Probably not that you can see it, but we'll try. There you go. So yes, bit of target practice. So red shell, green shell, And you've also got the smiling banana, which I love. I love this piece. It's on the other set as well. Very cool. Right, now the cart itself is nice. You got like the log effect stickers on the wheels. Let's try and get that in focus. Focus, focus. There you go. So you got the wheels with DK stickers on the side, a big DK sticker on the front. Again on this side. I don't know why they only put one exhaust piece on the back, I don't know. A bit confusing. So I'll have to see if I've got another one of those. Then you've got this, which is kind of like for scraping along the ground, so it's to clear stuff away as you go through. You've got this handlebar here on the back, which pivots, so you could put him, I suppose. I don't know if he'd stay there, probably not. I mean, it shows you him hanging onto the back. Oh, and everything's broken. GG's. Hold on a second. A few technical difficulties here. Let's put you back. Okay, put you in there. And let's try and get this on here without smashing it to pieces again. Ah, there we go. So yeah, he's too heavy, but they show him like this in the pictures, but he's not going to stay there. So we could be hanging onto the back maybe like that. So it's kind of cool. I like it. Yeah, there we go. So let's show you the rest of the cart. Oh, try not to break his hands would be good. All right. So cart. Like I say, he's got this front piece here to clear stuff in the way on the ground. Inside, you've got the steering wheel. You've also got this piece on the back. I'm not sure what that's for either. I really don't know why they put that there. It must be for something. It doesn't show you, but I would imagine it would be. Maybe you can put a shell with another piece. I don't know. But like I say, it doesn't really show you. So anyway, I digress. So yeah, in the center, in the middle is cool. It's good. And then you've got the part that activates Mario or one of the other characters. So let's put Mario on. Okay, and then he does have DK on the front, I think, if I remember rightly. Let's go again. Yeah, that's over too soon. DK. So it's as similar as to the other ones. It's like up, and that's him flying, and then landing, and then what you do to start the race. There we go. My mouth is open. Okay, and he's off, yay. Like this, it lasts for 60 seconds. There he is, flying. And then land. Just like skid him around for 60 seconds. It doesn't. There we go, it's getting faster. There we go. Hop. And I've just realised what that bit on the back is for. I'll show you in a sec. There we go. Yeah, okay, so that's that done. Off. Right, so the bit on the back is for the thing that I moaned about in the last one, sticking this on. Put that on the back, like that. So he can have a glider on it. It just needs another glider, but there you go. So that's kind of awesome. I need to get some more of these. Otherwise, it just looks dumb. I don't understand why they didn't do this, but whatever. That is from the standard cart, the set that I built before. Go and have a look at that in the videos. But that's it. I actually really like this this build. It was good fun, easy enough to build, no complications at all. And Mario needs to say goodbye. See you later too. So we've got so far this one. Oh, let's get that. Okay, I've got this one, and then I've got the Yoshi bike, which I'll just go grab. Where are you, Yoshi bike? Oh, we've actually got this as well from last year, which is the Bowser one. So that can go there as well. Yoshi, where are you, Yoshi? Where did I put you? He's here somewhere. Hold on a second. I will be back. Ha, there we go. Yoshi. Okay, sorry about that. And then there's Yoshi. So that's what we've got so far. Let's put them like that. That's cool. So we got standard cart. The Donkey Kong. He goes in there. He's kind of hard to get in because the feet move. It's a pain. Oof. That's the only thing I didn't like about it. It's like you've got to try and get in and press the feet down, which is whatever. Anyway, he's in there, and then you've got this one. So that's the sets so far. I have got the rest, so we will build more later. But I think, let me know in the comments which one you think is the best one, or you feel is the best one so far. Let's turn around that way so it shows his shells off. Alright, so there you go. That's what we have so far. Let me know in the comments what you think is best so far, and then we'll do the rest later. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, blah, 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 all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bye.